What are some differences between CCTV video footage and dash camera video footage, and how do they help an injured victim bring a serious motor vehicle accident personal injury claim? Obviously, any video footage of the motor vehicle accident would help the injured victim bring their claim, but there are some differences between the two types of videos. CCTV video footage is usually captured in a bird's eye view of the entire accident scene and all the motor vehicles involved. Usually the CCTV video camera is located at an intersection on the roadway and captures everything that is happening down below. A bird's eye view captures all the roads, all the motor vehicles involved, and can give a full picture of the sequence of events leading up to the motor vehicle collision. Dash camera video is a little different. The angle of dash camera video footage is directly from the driver's dash camera itself, whether it be a third-party eyewitness dash camera video footage, the at-fault driver's dash camera video footage, or the injured victim's dash camera video footage. Specifically, dash camera video footage of the at-fault driver can demonstrate negligent driving, and it's a little more detailed as far as the carelessness of the at-fault driver leading up to the motor vehicle collision. If you have any questions regarding how an injured victim can bring a serious injury motor vehicle accident case in the state of Maryland, feel free to call me. I do this every single day and would love to answer any questions you may have. Thank you.
667 Law John, 667 Law John, 667 Law John, 667 Law.